the Marksman we use for lift station cleaning and more deep applications. Pretty impressive nozzle. When we got the Marksman, we had a distributor come out, and I told him, I said, I want one of those. And he's like, well, you going to buy it? I said, no, I'm not going to buy it. Just give it to me. I want to use it. And we used it for a week, and he called and wanted it back. I said, you could just bill me for it. Just to be able to clean the edges off a lift station is just impressive. It was a pretty deep application. I mean, it was like 25, 30 feet. So unless you've got the nozzle that's that powerful, otherwise you're not going to get it cleaned. Before, with what we were using, we couldn't even accomplish what we were trying to do with any other nozzle. Yeah, we were getting things cleaned that we never getting cleaned before. I would say there's plenty of nozzles in the market, and there's none that compete to these.